All right, deep in state. I am Nick Hawks. Let's start off with the first question. What is your Discord handle?
I go by Jaym on Discord and on social media.
Right on. Do you have any governance experience?
Funnily enough, I come from a background in government experience. My previous career, I worked for the U.S. Senate, the U.S. House. I was an elected official at the local level. So long story long, yes, I do have some governance experience.
Got it. And how are you currently involved in Helium Mobile?
I've been deploying radios since before Genesis began. I'm an early adopter of Helium. I began deploying IoT hotspots in 2019 and purchased my first radios back in, I think, 2021, 2 years ago at this point, and have been deploying them ever since. I've been involved in the community the entire time and getting more and more involved in the governance process as we go along.
Cool. What would you like to see done in Helium, or what are you going to try and aim to do as part of the MWG if you get in?
We need to continue working on the POC mechanism for mobile. I'm excited to vote on HIP 89, see HIP 85 get implemented, and hex boosting start to happen, so we know where to really deploy our radios. It's going to be an iterative process. I don't think either of those HIPs are going to be the final solution for our working product, but we just need to keep refining those sorts of things. And honestly, thinking outside of the box. This is a new kind of way of building a network, and there are certainly ways we can bring in some of the traditional knowledge base into this space, but we've never built things traditionally here in the Helium world, in the ecosystem. So, we need to look at things from every angle, but use data and not just pull wild ideas out of the air and throw it against the wall and hope it sticks, but take a real thoughtful approach as we're building the sub-DAO.
Love it. Love it. Is there anything else you want people to know about you as they're considering whether or not to vote for you?
I'm super passionate about Helium Mobile, deploying all across the country. I'm have spots lined up in Austin, ready to go as soon as it's worthwhile to deploy in those areas. And I'm invested in this project. I'm here for the long term, and I want to make it successful for selfishly for myself, but for all of us. And I think it's a tool that's going to provide some real good in communities as we build out this network with our inexpensive cell phone plans and that we're going to be able to offer folks.
Love it. Ripping. Jaym, thanks for coming on.
Thank you.